Hello, we're going to look at another example of solving trigonometric equations involving identities. Again, I advocate knowing these identities at the minimum, and of course the most basic ones. So here we're going to look at this equation. Now I see that I have sine function and then cosecant. They at least are related. This is the reciprocal function of sine, so I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that. Now I never really like to work with something in the denominator if I don't have to, especially a function. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides of the equation by sine theta. Okay. When I distribute, I'll get sine squared theta here. When I distribute here, I'll get plus 1. And then here equals -2 sine theta. Now I have a second order equation, so I want to move everything to one side and equal to 0 and see if maybe I can factor. Okay, so now I'm in a position to go ahead and start factoring. And I would put sine theta here as the leading term. And then since these are both positive, I'm going to use 1 and double check. Sine squared, 1 times 1 is 1. Sine theta plus sine theta is 2 sine theta. So we're good, and what I notice is this is exactly the same as that. So really what I have is sine theta plus 1 squared. Okay. So now I can take the square root of both sides. Technically I have the absolute value of sine theta plus 1 equals 0. And indeed, to remove the absolute value, you'd say, sine theta plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 0, but of course that is not necessary here because it's 0. So now I can say that I'm solving for sine theta equal to -1. So where on the unit circle is the y-coordinate -1? And you'd say over here at 3 pi over 2. So if we were solving for the reals, we would say 3 pi over 2 plus 2k pi. Okay, thanks so much for listening.